The way it's done.
Yeah, baby.
That's the way it's done, big dog.
Number one, big old smallie. We'll take it. Z-Man fatties.
Right,
shaky heads.
How many pounds is that, big dog? All right, big dog. That's beautiful.
Yeah, baby.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful, big dog.
Number four.
How much did you weigh?
About a 3.5, 3.75.
3.8.
2.5. Bam!
That's a dang.
Got me a nice fat pre-spawner. That's the way to start the morning there. Look at that. Start the morning off right. Well, we just finished up with Lake Wheeler. It wasn't the best tournament because of all the issues going on with bass right now. I have a pending disqualification. I fished under appeal. A lot of issues you're going to hear more about here in the future. I really don't know what to think of it. Really at a loss. But as far as the tournament goes, awesome tournament. It was a really fun event. I spent most of the event with a Megabass Orochi F670, 2 versatile casting rod, 12-pound gamma line, and 3/16 ounce shaky heads with a Z-Man fatties, a green pumpkin worm, and it was really the bait that made the tournament. I covered a lot of water. I caught them on bluffs in the morning around the shad spawn. Later in the day, I fished laydowns and docks and caught a tremendous amount of fish throughout the day. Every day, I had a limit probably within an hour, and it was just a fun event. So anyway, finished up 7th, and more to come on that. Better one. Yeah, it's a little more like it there. Jump. Oh, come on. Good God, man. I swear, the fish is not that big, and it's just whipping me. Come on. Got it. A little bit better. They're growing up. These tournament recaps are presented by Lowrance, and all the tackle I've mentioned is available at tacklewarehouse.com.